Oh, that was a great prank. Oh, my God. Oh, we pulled the best pranks. He had no idea what it done me.
She was tight with sonar. Never understood why. But then again, I don't know a whole lot about demonic shit. Bats are a thing, right? Like witchy stuff. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, best to keep an eye on her. The problem with only cutting one of them is now you gotta deal with their pissy friends poisoning the rest of the team.
Come on, Chase. It's harmless. Who doesn't love an office prank?
Me, motherfucker. Don't even think about it. That's why I would've cut them all. Starting with that asshole. Why's she staring at you? Don't you got some work to do?
Don't you got some dementia to onset?
That one stung a little. Hey, Blazer's looking at backfilling your open spot with Phenomenon or Waterboy. You should think about who you'd want.
One of them is the poster boy of SDN and the other guy pukes water. What am I missing?
We now go live to the 405 where an unusual scene is unfolding.
Shit, he looks rough.
Can you not do that like that, please?
Sorry. Hey, I was watching that. Oh, sorry.
Looks like there's no wrong answer.
Well, sometimes it's more about the person than the powers. And good thing, because it's the only reason anyone gave your sorry ass a job.
All right, it wasn't that funny. Protopulse test 7, pilot ready. We good out there?
You can talk, I can hear you.
Oh, we good. All you, Mecha Man.
System power. Simple locomotion. Complex locomotion.
Levels are stable. We onto something, bro. This is it. This is gonna be it. You ever do that move in a fight?
I've never not done this in a fight, Lloyd.
Oh!
Protopulse test 7. Failure.
No worries. We'll get there.
Royd, what is all this stuff?
Whole network expect me to process all the confiscated stuff. Cause we the bottom branch for SDN, we catch all kind of shit work, bro.
Did you just give me an up-down?
We take one bad guy stuff and use them for catch the other bad guy. Only good thing, a lot of upgrade possibilities.
You ever jerk off in this thing?
You low, Vizzy.
I mean, obviously you have, right? I should really be asking how often.
Hey, come on. I gotta work on this.
All the time, actually.
Bro.
I like to bust after every big bust, you know, and I was pretty successful, so you can imagine.
Sounds like loads of fun.
You two got one weird energy going on, huh? Can you handle this HR violation some other place? I got work, yeah?
Robert was just leaving.
I can do this all day.
That's gonna be tough, because Blazer sent me to get you like half an hour ago, so...
Shit, Blazer. Sorry. You know what? I can come back.
Oh, no, don't worry. I got this thing tonight, and they were supposed to send the dress yesterday. This isn't why you're here, but can you zip me up? It's not mine, by the way. They make me wear it, and it's back in the bag by midnight.
What is happening today?
What's that?
What's happening today? The thing you're going to.
SDN sponsoring a dinner gala thing. Radiant Valor, a night of triumph.
Why does that sound like a propaganda rally? There.
Thank you. Yeah, it does kind of sound like some sort of fascist-themed prom. What do you think? They were making alterations all morning.
No cause for alarm, but a little bit of your, areola is out. It's like a slight hue shift.
Oh. I don't think I've heard someone say areola out loud before.
It doesn't come up a ton now.
Alright, for real now. How do I look? The breakup story is out, so I might be getting more attention than I'm comfortable with.
I think you look incredible.
Thanks. I was supposed to be going with him, but I don't think he's gonna be making it. The downtown branch dropped him. Indefinite suspension.
Is that your car?
I don't have a car.
That's gonna be a weird insurance claim.
I'd like for you to talk to him.
Me? Why me?
You're the pep talk guy. You've been through a transition recently yourself. I think he could use some perspective.
Like perspective to join the Z-Team? Chase mentioned it.
Yeah. The only candidates that make sense are him or Waterboy. And at the moment, it's close. Mostly, I'd like you to get him out of the parking lot. Oh, and tell him to stop with the edible arrangements. He keeps sending them, but with all melon.
That's disgusting. I'll see what I can do. Hey, you phenomenon man. How you doing, bud?
I have been better, Robert Robertson. The blonde blazer and I have ended our relationship.
Yeah, I heard about that. I'm sorry for your, your loss.
It's very abrupt. One moment we were savoring uni straight from the urchin. Next moment, I'm contemplating flying into the sun, absorbing all its energy and casting this planet into infinite darkness so that I never have to see her or anyone else ever again. Maybe then I would be free of the torment in my soul. And maybe then I could quiet my mind to these destructive thoughts.
I've been there. Last time I went through a breakup, I drank mezcal till I blacked out. When I came to, I was in a dark void surrounded by the smell of rot, and I was convinced I'd died and turned into a zombie. Turns out I passed out at a urinal and somebody threw me in a dumpster.
Thank you for sharing that. You are sad enough to understand. Do you think there is someone else? Perhaps another lover could be the cause of all this. Maybe she met a person. An actual person. I am not a person, I just resemble one anatomically.
Look, I don't think there is, but even if there was, wouldn't that just make you feel worse?
I prefer when problems have solutions.
That's the thing, man. Phenomenon. Man. Her feelings aren't a problem for you to solve. Blazer makes her own decisions, because that's what people do. She's her own person, and she decided she doesn't want to be with you.
Perhaps the fact that I am not a person is contributing to my confusion.
Yeah, listen, you know what, while we're at it, no more edible arrangements. They're just stinking up the break room.
It seems I have much to learn about people. Thank you. You've given me a great deal to think about.
Anytime. Well, actually no, not anytime. Just sometimes. Occasionally. Barely any.
It seems the velocity with which I sat up has shot shards of glass into your chest.
Well, shit.
Where's the shootout?
Parking lot. Didn't think taking a desk job would have me bleeding this often. What are you doing here?
I had a dream last night that we were fucking. Usually I don't remember my dreams, but this one was pretty vivid.
Was it the one where I have a big dick in it?
Yeah, actually, you did.
I have that one too. So this is why you've been acting so weird all day.
I'm doing that thing where I imagine being with someone, you know? See how it feels, how it looks. You know, like trying on a dress.
You were there.
I could have been. I could be anywhere.
And you chose to be here.
Oh, sorry. I tried not to. I tried not to do that.
Don't worry about it, water boy.
The sound.
Bathrooms are for shitting after your first coffee and picking shrapnel out of your chest. Not for whatever this is.
Ugh! You ruined this for me!
It's... I know. My apologies.
You're a menace.
Can't believe Sonar's gone. This is a load of shite.
He may have been a pervert, but he was our pervert.
Well, I'm glad you're still with us.
I am glad as well. Strange.
Help us get this stuff out of the dorm, yeah? You guys do that kind of stuff, right?
I'll get it done, baby.
I've been hearing a lot about some guy named Chad. I think he's trying to summon that demon.
Wait, wasn't there a cult of Chad?
Chad? Yeah.
Malevola, do you know where this church is located? You can take a look and...
Oh, not interested.
After cutting sun out? No, you're on your own.
Maybe we send someone in, have them pretend to be interested in joining the cult.
I'll take this one. I only travel through alleyways and shadowy underpasses. Yeah.
We needed another backup dancer. Oh.
Damn, dude. How'd you get an ass like that?
Hella squats, girl.
Ugh, I was afraid you'd say that.
Banging it.
On it.
Luke, can I borrow your mask? I got a date tonight at this masquerade thingy.
You may not.
See, this is why people think you're a bitch.
You're braver than I thought. Fine. Return it tomorrow morning, or I will cut out your tongue.
Say less, baby. I got you.
Touch can't know about this. He'll tease me for weeks.
Hey, this is Jason from Nostalgia Alley. Someone just dropped off a box of games with a note saying there's a bomb inside one of them. Can you send someone?
Where the hell'd you go? Job's not finished. Dude, we need you to bring everything up to our new place.
Yeah, I've been trying to smile more, but I don't have enough teeth.
useful, but deadly.
We need you to send somebody else. This is too much.
We're out of somebody's. You're gonna have to make do.
Unlike my first manager, I fired his ass.
This is feckin' bullshit. We can't be everywhere at once.
Shit, y'all, I can barely even be in one place.
It's clear that cutting sonar has left us vulnerable.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but Coop has a point.
Noted. Can you just hang in there a little longer? I'll see what I can do.
Yeah, well, Karma's a fucking bitch, huh, Robert?
Don't you dare tell Coop about this. I'll never live it down.
Oh, I'ma stay winning.
Hey, it's Rory Casey. One of my teachers called out. There has to be someone at STN who can teach a jujitsu class. The CEO of Brand Tech, Millman Brandt, hasn't been seen for days, and the board is asking STN to do a wellness check.
If only Sonar was here, considering he actually fucking knows who all these assholes are.
Well, he's not, so we're going to have to go check on the assholes ourselves.
You handle this one then. Takes an asshole to know an asshole.
Hey, Ray here. We got another teardown for you. Mind coming down and doing some demo?
Whatever.
I'm already there.
Easy enough.
Good to go. Guess what?
Out of me way.
I think I'm done here.
You're clocking out early?
Mate, cut me if you want, but I'm out.
Okay.
We need backup at the mall. Dozens of youths just started rushing us and looting the shops.
We've cleared everyone out already, but like, someone called us about a bomb in one of the theaters?
He's a mind reader. She has X-ray vision. Together they are the ultimate invasion of privacy. Oh, sorry, is this SDN? We need help.
Tried to do it ourselves, but then I remembered my motto in life. Why do it when you can make someone else do it for you?
Oh, I fucking meant to do that.
Yeah, I'm just like off my game today.
I haven't played a mall in years.
I'll bring popcorn. Kidding.
Missed one. I know a way to cool them off. Asshole. Shit.
You can't say you're not impressed. You can't. I mean, you can, I just won't believe you.
It's time for Phil's walk. What? No, Phil's my dog. Can you just, like, walk him around the park?
Phenomemon's still on the 405, just past him. He's gone from shaking his fist at cars to sadly directing traffic.
Well, at least he's putting his newfound pain to use.
I had no idea Blazer was such a heartbreaker.
Is that surprising?
I'm just impressed. Didn't think she had it in her.
Maybe you shouldn't be so quick to judge people.
Gross. You sound just like her.
You calling me a heartbreaker?
In your dreams.
Oh, so close.
Hey, it's Jerry from Comic Pug. We got a gift of some Mega Man replicas, but with all the bomb threats going on, we just want to be sure.
You ever look in the mirror and go,
What do you mean he got away? You better find him, man.
Get your hands off that radio. I pick the tunes around here.
so you finally noticed. I'm perfect. Watch me burn.
If anyone needs some more hands-on training, I'll be in the gym until the end of the shift.
The baddest. I'm feeling real good.
And that's lunch. Think back.
Oh, great. I'm gonna drink my spicy water.
I swear, this is all you. I'm not. I mean, it's not because we're... Maybe it's time to let HR know.
Still working on that? Aren't these the best? I love the green ones, the green dew.
All yours. Take the whole thing if you want.
Awesome. My lucky day. I know what's for lunch or dinner. Probably. Now. Sorry, for interrupting your meeting with Invisa.
Oh, god damn it. You threw my noodles away? My initials were literally on the box and everything. Fuck!
I don't read things. Sometimes it's different, like a logo, but it's probably still good.
I don't want the fucking trash noodles, wet fart boy.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Whatever, it was an accident. Just aim your dick up and water piss it off. That's not... You...
I'm gonna go rinse off.
How would you like to have to walk around work the rest of the day with shit all over you?
I don't know, I don't think about that, because it won't happen. Because I'm not a fucking idiot food thrower or weigher.
It was an accident. You don't have to be a bully about it. You want this in your report?
What, you're gonna snitch on me? You're just being a soft bitch about it. Bully? How am I being a bully? Fuck! If it's in my hair, I'm going to fucking kill you.
Well, I got bad news for you.
Hey, Robert, could you... Oh. You have stuff on your face. What happened here?
I don't want to be a snitch, but Flambe accidentally made a mess.
Really?
Yes.
Well, you should probably go get cleaned up, then, you know, accident or not, wipe up this mess you made.
Yes.
Okay, whatever that was. Listen, Robert. Jesus. Anyway, you talked to Chase. Who's it gonna be? Banana Man or Waterboy?
And these two are my only options.
For now, yeah. Obviously, we can revisit it, but Waterboy is already a trainee, sorta, and you already know Phenomena Man got cut by DTLA. Thanks for getting him out of the parking lot, by the way. It might also help to get, you know, an actual good person on your team, which I'm positive both of them are. They just have other issues. And Phenomana's an alien, not a person.
Phenomena Man, I guess. I mean, I'm worried he has too much time to think right now.
Yeah, I feel the same way. He could use a distraction.
So, it won't be weird with your ex-boyfriend hanging around?
I mean, he's already hanging around, so he may as well be doing some good, instead of moping around the parking lot crushing cars.
You make a good point.
I'll let him know. You'll see him in the roster for your next dispatch.
Hello, Robert. A moment of your time.
How do you move so quiet?
I float. If it would make you more comfortable, I could remove my clothes as well.
It would not. Look, if this is about picking you for Z-Team, wasn't even a hard decision.
Thank you.
No need. You're a legend. You should be out doing good.
But to do good, you need to be doing good. That's what a human person would say.
Yeah, I'm sure some human person would say that. Yeah.
My hug of gratitude seems to have reopened your chest wounds.
It's fine.
Appreciate you doing your best last shift under the circumstances, but we are here to help. More specifically, Phenomena Man is here to help.
I am here to help.
This is a joke, right?
Really? This guy?
Didn't he also get fired?
Yeah, listen, I know things have been difficult for him lately, but Robert and I believe he will make a great addition to the team.
Difficult because you dumped him?
Busy.
Don't mind me.
The mean child is correct. It has indeed been difficult since the ending of my relationship with Blonde Blazer. But Any opportunity to see her again will make every day easier. I think you got it backwards, bro.
Yeah, it don't work that way, boy. Trust me.
We have reason to believe that Mr. Vanderstank's life will be in danger at a meeting today.
What's the point?
Quite the odd couple.
Couple? You aren't my typical romantic companion, but I could be persuaded.
I thought we were supposed to be getting help.
Apologies. I thought I saw a blonde blazer in distress.
Phenomenon. I'm at the office.
Oh. I see.
Hey, so we're a little down on new subscribers this month. Think you can spare a hero to do some recruiting?
How the fuck are we supposed to do this?
You could try charming them with your winning personality. I just took off my shoes. One sec.
Ah, shake it off. Shake it off.
I did not know so much pain could be felt on the inside. My outside was always so strong. You honor me.
I've got a great opportunity to show the sweeter side of your ex-criminal crew at SDN.
Yeah, I can't believe Sweet Talk went with Emily last season. Him and Carla seem perfect for each other. Yeah, I feel like working at a gas station would be pretty chill.
I fuck with a pet store.
Yeah, right. You hate pets.
I hate pets with bad attitude.
What pets have good attitudes?
Snakes. They're just chilling.
That is true. Every snake is chill.
Speaking of pets, I have recently learned of the American opossum. I find it fascinating how it carries its children on its back, much like a bus.
What are you even talking about, dude? Huh?
Those freaks nasty.
Possums aren't pets, man.
I see.
I'm gonna be insufferable about this.
Too bad there's no Grammy for this.
The hero to put on a show? We need Terrence the Turtle to beat someone up. For team morale.
Oh, what's it going to be this time?
Ready as ever. Oh, that looks bad. Can I have it?
We've tracked down the assassin's temporary base of operations.
Oh shit. They're after Coop.
And they can try. Fuck those arseholes.
Can you give her a heads up or something?
Way ahead of you, Bob.
Wait, you really want me? Robert, I am sensing dissatisfaction amongst my new companions.
Is one of his powers stating the super obvious?
Team's exacerbated size were a great indicator.
No wonder Blazer dumped you.
All right, that's enough. You said you wanted help, and I got you one of the best heroes at SDN.
Best at pissing everyone off.
Yeah. The best at crying in the
Best
locker
at
room.
leaving a giant crater whenever he takes to the skies.
Get out of your systems. He's not going anywhere.
Hey, so there's a mini... no, baby. Tiny kaiju on the beach? It's actually pretty cute, but like, where's its mom?
On my way. Hey, who wants fried fish?
Hello, dispatcher. Would you like to play a little game, perhaps? A brain teaser?
Ugh, I hate this asshole. Careful, he's tricky.
His name's Brain Teaser. How tricky can he be?
Don't say I didn't warn you.
And another one.
No contest. Ready, set, fire.
Or I could also just track you down.
Have you been paying attention? Answer my riddles 1, 2, 3, and I will gladly turn myself in.
Interesting. I got this one. Seriously, don't worry about it. I'll be so fine. I promise.
Yes! The wolves inside of us was so sweet. Although the choices didn't seem to matter much. Correct. Have you seen Standing Alive? I hear it's playing in theaters again. Incorrect.
Still beats my high school GPA.
It's just so painful. In my heart area.
Alright, on my way. I think I'm liking this benevolent devil vibe.
There's a retired SDN hero at Kryptonite causing problems. Can you get him out of there?
Oh shit, Astroman. I remember him when I was a kid.
Poor guy. I've been there.
Really?
Before I joined the Z team, I didn't have a pot to piss in.
He had to borrow one of mine.
At least I'm good at pep talks. Good shift, fellow heroes. Is my intercom malfunctioning? Can anyone hear me?
Not only did you cut one of their dumb shit criminal buddies, you're also forcing them to work with...
One of the greatest heroes of all time?
I was gonna say sad sack son of a bitch, but yeah, let's go with yours.
Yeah, let's go with mine.
Hey, kid. Love you.
Love you too, Unc.
Don't fuck this up.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, honey.
Earlier that day, Blazer and I had breakfast at the rim of an active volcano. Then we made love.
I don't need to hear your sex stories.
We never had intercourse. My alien genitals were not compatible with hers.
That's cool.
Why is that cool?
It's not. What were you saying?
She was the only thing I was passionate about. Her voice, her eyes, her disposition, her whole of her remarkable corporeal form.
That can't be true. You never had, like, a pet? A hobby? Favorite food?
Every attempt I have made to love food as one loves a woman has ended in disaster.
Usually people love multiple things at the same time. All I'm saying is, what you need to do is find the next thing for you to be passionate about. Because it's out there.
Thank you. I wish to make love to you again.
Again?
Though this time I will avoid squeezing the blood out of you.
Yeah.
What you watching? Technically, you're still on the clock. Didn't peg you as a rom-com fan.
If I'm on the clock, you shouldn't be pegging me with anything, Robert. That's extremely inappropriate. Especially since I'm usually the picker, not the peggy.
Noted. Well, tell me how it is. I wanted to see that one.
At least 20 minutes of trailers. I always forget what I'm watching by the time the movie starts.
Same. You going solo?
I'm a loner, Robbie. A rebel. That and I feel bad asking people to pay when I'm just gonna sneak in. The only lame thing is I can't get snacks.
Floating buckets of popcorn do tend to draw a lot of attention.
Ah, but I miss it. I miss popcorn.
See you tomorrow. No spoilers.
Yep. Have.
It's goodbye, girl.
much coffee?
Wait,
Sure. What's up?
this isn't what I look like.
I don't totally know what you mean, but okay.
The powers make me... it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna show you. Are you good with that?
I, have absolutely no idea what's about to happen, so this is very exciting.
Temper your expectations.
I'm sorry.
You're disappointed.
Are you kidding? I can't tell if... Are you joking, or am I joking?
It's a big difference.
You're what? What, 2 inches shorter?
And a brunette, come on, it's... Okay, maybe if I wasn't called Blonde Blazer, I wouldn't be so self-conscious about it. People have expectations, and they never meet me first. It's always the superhero. It's hard to live up to.
Was that less of a mistake than the first one?
A little bit.
I'll take a little bit.
Hey, I'm Mandy.
Robert. It's really nice to meet you, Mandy.
Likewise. Would you like to have dinner with me, Robert?
I would love that. Whoa. You fancy.
Well, it's all Michelin stars when you're on a date with me.
Oh, so this is a date.
If you think it is, it is.
Did you know that the Michelin star ratings were created by the tire company? They gave high ratings to restaurants away from the cities to get people to drive more and buy new tires.
I'm both in shock and really unsure what to do with this information.
I felt the same.
Why is he here so late?
I worry the answer might be sad. He's allowed to go home, right?
Yes, I'm not running a sweatshop. Hey, water boy! Go home! What does he think that I could possibly be saying that would make him keep going? You sure you don't miss the blonde?
Look, I actually prefer brunettes, so this is great.
Oh, is it now?
Yeah, I actually came here tonight to ask you to dye your hair.
Oh, wow. What a coincidence.
I know. It's crazy.